What is up, y'all? So I'm about to show you how to get this 36 inches passion twist on my 4C natural hair. I'm using this Lulutress 3 times with 3 bundles pack of hair. And these are the passion twist 36 inches. Let's begin. What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some long passion twists. These are 36 inches, but I think like majority of it is this like extra piece at the end, which I already cut some off, and I think I might just cut all off because I already predict that it's gonna be like messy, tangly, a mess. So I might just cut all of it off. So 36 inch will probably become 30. And I was watching Chic Natural and she did some crochet passion twist. And I was like, oh, these look cute. Oh, but you know, her way of doing it is like taking your natural hair, putting some edge control and like twisting it around the hair like so, right? Twisting it around the hair like so. But my texture and her texture, just two different textures, you know? So I just don't think it'll look right if I do it. Even if I put like a whole bunch of edge control, like I could just feel like it will unravel or it will just look really like weird. So I decided to do this way. So stay tuned. Mirror that I'm using to like do the back of my hair. I know y'all gonna say, oh yeah, it already have some invention like that, but I don't have it, okay? So I made my own. I duct taped this to the wall and it works just fine. So I have the back of my hair, like I already did this row hair, and this is how it looks, right? So I'm gonna do this next row. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I'm just going to part a nice section like so. We have, and then I'm using extra whole jam, and then I'm just going ahead and applying some jam around like so. This jam, it only holds while I'm braiding, it doesn't hold after. I just use it just to get that sleek look while I'm braiding. That's the idea, because it doesn't really do anything after. So I'm just gonna braid it down a little bit. Probably like 3 times. And then I'm going to twist like so. Twist, 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 twist. And I crochet the passion twist onto my hair like so. So then we will have it looking like this, look like this. So you'll see the 2 strands like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair around. Kind of twist it in the direction of the passion twist. And then when I get around like hair where my hand when my twist is finishing, I go ahead and I push the crochet needle in between the twist. Then I pull the hair through like so. Then I go ahead and put a little jam, then just twist it around. And voila! There you have it. Another one done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my entire head, and this is how it looks so far. This is how it's looking so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. So as you can see, I began by prepping my hair, so I go ahead and twist them. This was the easiest way for me to do it. So I would do like a row. I'll go ahead and twist a row and then just go ahead, crochet the hair in, and then after I crochet all the hair, just go ahead and twist it. So that's what I'm doing here. Keep watching. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, so in case you're wondering, I did use 2.5 packs of hair. So 2 packs and like 1 bundle from the 3rd pack. And that's pretty much it. My preparation for the side. So I did like 13 braids on one side, so I'll do 13 on the next side. Show. Yep, and the back is done. Progress. I'm all done, you guys. Oh my gosh, it took forever. No, I'm kidding. It didn't take that much time. It probably took like 2 hours, and I was stopping in between. Yeah, so it's pretty quick, pretty easy. And it turned out pretty good, and it lasts a really long time. I really enjoyed this, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you like it? You can't even tell it's crochet, girl. All right. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. And be sure to share with a friend. Bye.